Hi 7th grade students and parents. This tutorial will help you make the most of our Carnegie Wiki. To find the Carnegie Wiki, go to the class website. On the home page, you will find a link titled Carnegie Wiki. Click on that. This brings you to the Wiki front page with a brief introduction. A wiki is a website where we can create and edit together. Math will look and feel a little different using the college and career readiness standards, and this wiki is meant to ease the transition. On a wiki there are two modes, view and edit. If you would like to edit the site, make sure you click on the Edit tab. Once you are finished, you can save your changes, and that will take you back to the View tab. Save and Continue allows you to save but continue to edit. Or if you've added some stuff and said, nah, not going to add it right now, you can cancel. And it'll take you back to the View page. Our site will grow as our knowledge grows. Please be respectful of your classmates and only post items valuable to our learning on the wiki. Thank you. Currently, we have 3 pages in addition to the home page. We have definitions, classroom examples, and resources. Let's look at definitions first. On the definitions page is a link to our math dictionary. There is also a tutorial on how to use our math dictionary I encourage you to look at before trying to enter a new term. The math dictionary is set up as a spreadsheet, and the tabs at the bottom of the spreadsheet coincide with the letters of the words. So on D, E, and F, we'll have words that begin with D, E, and F. O, P, Q, and R, words that begin with O, P, Q, and R. There's a slot for term and a slot for definition. When you enter a word into our dictionary, they will be saved automatically. So if you enter something and decide you don't want to keep what you wrote, you must delete it before closing out of the document. Now let's look at classroom examples. I have attached the PowerPoint with a narrative, adding and subtracting decimals. If you'd like a little review of adding and subtracting decimals, you can view that PowerPoint. If you find a good tutorial or an example, please feel free to add it to our site. Again, click on Edit, Add It, and then be sure to save. Below is a place to ask about questions. Ask questions. Questions about homework? Ask here. For example, hey, Mrs. Ayers, do I add before I subtract when doing orders of operations? To answer this question, I would click on Edit. Then I would reply. You add and subtract in the order they appear in the expression or equation. Now some of you are going, oh, she made a typo. Fortunately, we have spell check. That will help us. That's spelled wrong. You add and subtract in the order they appear in the expression or equation. Then I'm going to save and go back to view mode. Again, note the links to the other pages at the bottom, back to the Ayers Math homepage, definition, and then our classroom resources. Currently, we have the daily agenda. So right here you can see what happened in math today, or any of your classes. Handy for you. There's also this link to the Carnegie homepage for you to access your textbook at home. I will add resources I find valuable to learning and I encourage you to do the same. If you have any questions about our class wiki, you can post them on the wiki, or you can post them on the class website under blog. Thank you very much.